There are many ways to make your girlfriend obsess over you, and here are 10 tips that can effectively help you to do so. First, always be spontaneous and keep things interesting in your relationship. Surprise her with unexpected dates or romantic gestures. Second, show her your confidence and masculinity by taking charge and being assertive when necessary. Be the protector and provider for her. Third, be attentive and responsive to her needs and emotions. Listen when she talks and give her your full attention. Fourth, make her feel special and appreciated by showering her with compliments and telling her how much you love her. Fifth, be supportive of her goals and aspirations and encourage her to reach her full potential. Sixth, be adaptable and willing to compromise when conflicts arise. Show her that you are willing to work through problems together. Seventh, be a good communicator and consistently express your feelings openly and honestly. 8. Be physically and emotionally available for her. Be physically affectionate and intimate and show her your affection regularly. 9th, be romantic and creative in your gestures towards her. Surprise her with small gifts, romantic getaways, and other thoughtful surprises. And finally, be playful and have a sense of humor. Make her laugh and enjoy your time together. By following these tips, you can help make your girlfriend obsess over you and strengthen your relationship. Bye for now, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that post notification bell.